Good morning, today's Friday. It's a nice chill Friday. Yeah, I'm heading to school now, like always. But roll the credits. Woo! So these are my killers.
And then
it was you.
Wait, why would you be pointing this way?
to turn this way.
Because we're over here. Wait, was that going there?
So did you over Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Got all of that on camera.
Hey, what's up?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I want to buy a mail truck.
Why?
Because I'm dumb.
I don't understand.
You put a competent four-cylinder in there instead of the Iron Duke that's in there now.
What's his name?
You put in an Ecotech.
Him?
Yeah. No, yeah.
What's your name?
Jared. It starts with a C. Henry and
Henry Jared.
Henry.
I know it's Henry.
What did you just
I don't know. I say it again.
I didn't know anything like that.
New camera.
My hands are sticky for the rest of the
That one's perfectly fine.
Look at it.
Y'all work at the same location?
Oh, you done.
Hey everybody, the service engine soon light came back on, and I was told if it ever did come back on, just head back over to Mike's to get it checked up again. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not excited about what's. I hope it's just a minor thing, like a quick, easy fix. Let's go. So just went there and got it checked. It's the same thing as last time, minor evap leak, which means that whenever it's like putting out the gas from the or not the gas, like the air or whatever from the engine, it's not actually going all the way through. Or yeah, when it's the vapor, when it's taken out of the engine, it's not going out. And it's just staying inside the engine, I think, is what he said. Yeah, he said it's nothing too big, too bad, and it shouldn't cause any issues. So, just gonna let it sit, and we'll get a checkup on it sometime soon, like where we'll actually fix the problem. Yeah. So far, pretty average Friday. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I'm heading to it's competition 2 of the year, so be sure to look forward to that because it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, and this time we're going to Fox, which is one of the better competitions, because after all the shows are done, there's a grace period where the directors actually get to talk to the judges about the show, and get first-hand comments about what they like, what they didn't like, what problems they saw, all that sort of stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to get better as a band because of this competition. Yeah, just look forward to that tomorrow. Anyway, I don't really have anything planned for today, at all. I was planning on playing some League of Legends, edit a little bit of a video, record my ad segment for Pirate TV, and have it edited tonight. Yeah, it's just stuff that pretty much I stay in my room for, which isn't the best or most exciting for you guys, but my life isn't that exciting. Sorry I haven't done much today. I did just finish creating my channel art, like my new one, that I promised for 100 subscribers. Haven't decided on what I'm going to do for my icon though, but this is what my channel art looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. And if you're watching this and you haven't checked it out, it should be on as as soon as you watch this, because I'm putting it up today, and this is gonna be up tomorrow. So check it out. So I've tried to figure out something to do with the channel icon, and so far I've pretty much got nowhere. Yep, that's it. Hopefully I'll be able to come up with something. I'm just listening to the Behind the Pine from Sugar Pine 7 podcast while I'm working on it. But I need to edit this video, so I'm just gonna end it here. Hopefully I can come up with a better design for an icon. But if you guys like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.